Okay, those who say we have two sides tonight on Newshour debate number one. There are those who say this is not Mandir politics, and that is Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP. Sandeep Singh is an author. In this case, he leans towards the BJP view. Sandeep Singh making his first appearance on Newshour tonight. Rakesh Sinha of the RSS, and again BJP Shiv Sena leaning journalist will be joined by Prem Shukla in some time. And on the other side tonight, those who say it is Mandir politics. That's Danish Ali of the JDS, their national spokesperson. Ghanshyam Tiwari, who is coming in as a political commentator, he says the BJP is doing Mandir politics. Viewers, you can vote on this starting now. Sabha is with us. She says without doubt Mandir politics. And Rahul Narvekar will join us, and Yashwant Deshmukh, editor-in-chief of Sea Voter. I'm not preempting your position tonight. Right? Should we start the debate? अब सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, छुपाने के लिए कुछ बाकी नहीं रहा. जो बोलना था विनय कटियार ने बोल दिया. वो कहते हैं कि राम म्यूजियम जो है, रामायण म्यूजियम जो है, ये लॉलीपॉप है. लॉलीपॉप है. तो क्या राम मंदिर जो है वो चॉकलेट हैम्पर है? आप इस तरह की भाषा यूज करते हैं और उसके बाद आप कहते हैं कि हम राम मंदिर को राजनीतिक इशू नहीं बनाएंगे. सारा कुछ एक्सपोज कर दिया सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, आपके ही विनय कटियार ने. आपके बस दो ऑप्शन है, या आप कह दें कि विनय कटियार ना आपके पार्टी के हैं, ना आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के हैं, ना आपके आइडियोलॉजी के हैं, कि आप कह सकते हैं हम विनय कटियार को जानते भी नहीं हैं. If that is not the case, Sudhanshu Trivedi, then I think you should accept tonight that you are doing Ram Temple politics, you have done and you will do Ram Temple politics in UP, not development. Sudhanshu Trivedi, the debate is open, and after that feel free to come in. No, feel free to come in. Danish can come in, Sabha can come in. The debate starts with Sudhanshu Trivedi. Voting is on Mandir politics. Yes, Sudhanshu Trivedi. Boliye.
The museum which is proposed to be in Ayodhya is a part of Ramayana circuit. The government since last 2 years has proposed 3 circuits. Krishna circuit, Ramayana circuit.
Is the disputed site part of the Ramayana circuit?
All we know.
Is the disputed site part of the circuit?
And in the
is the
modern
disputed site part of the circuit?
No.
Is the disputed site part of the circuit? Tell me.
Museum and Ram Temple. I am coming to that answer also.
Is the disputed site part of the circuit?
Those who are, the lollipop word is used by Vinay Katiyar for the UP government, because a couple of months back Mulayam Singh was giving a statement कि कार सेवक 16 मरे थे, 40 मर जाते तो भी कोई गम नहीं था, and now they are saying theme park. The same Samajwadi Party of Uttar Pradesh, which on record Mulayam Singh Yadav as chief minister on the floor of the house has said कि हम बाबरी मस्जिद दोबारा बनाएंगे, and 2017 theme park. This is politics. And I would like to ask my opponents, the matter is there in court. Still we say that it is our wish, it is our sacrosanct wish that there should be a grand Ram temple on the site, because nobody can stop you on having a wish.
If you know that the matter is in court, no. If you know that the matter is in court, if you know, okay, debate is over. Okay, should I, Sudhanshu Trivedi,
1989 का इलेक्शन में हमारे एजेंडा में था, 96, 98, 2004,
आप भाषण दे रहे हैं. आप सुनिए मेरी बात.
अब इनसे पूछिए ना, ये किस तरफ हैं, on which side they are.
आप जवाब तो दीजिए. आप जवाब तो दीजिए. मेरा सवाल क्या था?
राम क्लियर कह रहे हैं. The lollipop word is used for उत्तर प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट.
आप कुछ क्लियर नहीं कह रहे.
अपना स्टैंड सडनली चेंज किया.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, if the Ram Museum is a lollipop, the BJP is supposed to gift itself a chocolate hamper, that is the Ram Mandir. What happens to the Supreme Court of India? I thought that the Supreme Court of India is the ultimate arbiter of who the land belongs to. It's not the BJP. आपका तो कोई लेना देना नहीं है इसके साथ. Okay, Danish is opening the debate on the other side. Danish, let Danish come. Let Danish come. I'll come to you. Let Danish come. I'll come to you. Danish, the debate is open. Danish, the debate is open. The debate is open with Danish now, please. Danish.
Unequivocally and unanimously accepted that the central home and the sanctum sanctorum is the place where Bhagwan Ram was born. The only dispute now in front of the Supreme Court is 1/3 or 2/3 division between the Waqf Board and Ram Janmabhoomi Niyaz. Make it very clear. The place in Ram Temple, it has been unanimously accepted. Then only you should go for discussion about 1/3 and 2/3.
देश से बेरोजगारी खत्म करने के लिए दिया था, इस देश में गुड गवर्नेंस के लिए मैंडेट दिया था, इस देश में जो 10 साल के यूपीए सरकार से लोग त्रस्त थे उससे निजात पाने के लिए दिया था, अच्छे दिन लाने के लिए दिया था,
अभी
अपने
ब्रिक्स
अकाउंट
समिट हुई
में
है,
15 लाख रुपए लाने जो काला धन विदेशों से लाना था, मेरे जैसे इस देश का हर व्यक्ति इंतजार कर रहा है कि वो 15 लाख कब आएगा। आप मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम के नाम पर जिस तरीके का खेल खेलना चाहते हैं, शायद आपको याद होगा कि उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता ने ना पहले माफ किया था और ना आगे माफ करेगी अगर मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम को आप इस तरीके से दुरुपयोग करेंगे। बाबरी मस्जिद के डेमोलिशन के बाद 1 साल बाद ही चुनाव हुआ था।
I strongly object to the word Babri Masjid. As per the Supreme Court proceeding, it should be disputed structure. Whosoever is using the word Babri Masjid is trying to polarize and trying to communalize the issue. Nowhere in the government record it is Babri Masjid. As per the court, it is disputed structure. As per the government record, it is Ram Janmabhoomi Parisar.
रोजगारी का स्तर कहाँ आ गया है?
And as per
रोजगार जो है कितने घट गए हैं? 30% रह गए हैं रोजगार।
This is the politics which has taken India to that extent.
हर वर्ष देंगे। कहाँ गया
no respect for court if you are using the word Babri Masjid.
उसी इशू को पे आ जाते हैं, देश की जनता को।
अरे हम कहाँ इशू लाते हैं? इशू तो आप लाते हैं। Who initiated the issue? It is मुलायम सिंह initiated the issue couple of months back. कि 16 कार सेवक क्या 40 में मर जाते, ठीक था। Who started the issue? It is us or मुलायम सिंह?
अरे मुलायम सिंह जी ने शायद कुछ महीने पहले ये भी कहा था कि मुझे बड़ा अफसोस है कि कार सेवकों पर गोली चलानी पड़ी।
Okay, then who started the issue? बीजेपी और मुलायम सिंह?
ना मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी को डिफेंड करने बैठा हूं, जिनके जमाने में बाबरी मस्जिद को डिमोलिश किया गया, जिनके जमाने में वहां पर शिलान्यास किया गया।
It is the identity issue of India. It is not at all the politics.
I don't understand this. One second. Okay, all right. Okay, Danish Ali and Sudhanshu Trivedi. Danish Ali. अरे भाई दानिश अली सुनिए तो दानिश अली Yashwant Deshmukh, all I simply want Sudhanshu Trivedi to say that Vinay Katiyar गलत बोल रहे हैं। बस इतना क्यों नहीं? Why doesn't he say?
It's a problematic.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, wait, Mr. Trivedi.
I will tell you
Mr.
why
Trivedi,
he
now
will
you
not
wait.
say that.
Yes, Sudhanshu.
I will tell you why he won't say that. Because as per Vinay Katiyar or some many other people within the side of the BJP might think that temple case of Ayodhya temple is a lollipop or a chocolate or whatever. From the analyst perspective, from electoral perspective, Arnab, Ayodhya issue has become a chewing gum. It's a typical chewing gum which BJP chews every time the election comes in, but unfortunately that flavor, the mint flavor, was gone on 6 December 1993.
Why are they doing it?
I don't know. And it's been, I was just calculating the 91, 93, 96, 2002, 2006 elections. 6 elections have gone by, and the highest on the issue of the temple that BJP managed to poll was 31%. So my question is that more than approximately 45% of UP voters which voted for BJP.
You're saying they're tired of Mandir politics.
You know, is that vote for Ayodhya? Was the mandate in 2014 for Ayodhya?
No.
Were those 73 member of parliament?
You're saying it wasn't.
Historic mandate.
You're saying it wasn't.
It wasn't.
Yeah.
It wasn't.
Yeah.
So why the hell is the need on the strategy of the BJP?
I don't know. Okay, one sec. Sandeep Singh is back. Sandeep Singh is on. Sandeep Singh. Can I come? Sandeep Singh and Sabha, please. Sabha, I'll come to you after Sandeep Singh. Sandeep Singh.
Ram has got.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
The biggest tourist attraction is Ram, Krishna and Buddha.
मंदिर इशू
You go strictly by
Okay, Sudhanshu Trivedi. अरे भाई Sudhanshu Trivedi, गला मेरा थोड़ा खराब है, आप थोड़ी मध्यम गति से चले तो मैं बहुत ही आभारी रहूंगा. Thank you. Sandeep Singh, please. Sandeep Singh and Sabha, please. Sandeep Singh and Sabha. Yeah, Sandeep Singh.
Yeah, if Ram Janmabhoomi or Ram Mandir issue is not delivering for BJP, then why is the opposition so worried? And actually, in reality, we should be asking two other questions. We should be debating how to make a grand museum, and why not announce simultaneously a museum in Mathura as well as in Banaras for Krishna and Shivji. So I think, we'll stop politicizing it. It's not paying for BJP. And let's get on to talk about a similar museum in Mathura for Krishna Bhagavan and a similar museum in Banaras for Shivji. I think that will be the right.
Okay, how will this help the people?
That will be the
Sandeep
right
Singh,
angle to take it to the debate.
Sandeep Singh, Sandeep, once, just one.
Arnab,
No, I want to know, how will this help the people?
Can I?
Suppose we build 20 more museums, how will this help the people? I want to understand your thinking.
Oh, museums have a huge value. That is a problem in our country, that we don't have enough museum. Whatever museum
our
we have
problem
is
in our
for
country
Nehru
is that
Gandhi
we don't have
family.
enough museums.
We don't know about our own culture. That's where it starts.
Okay.
And Ramayana is not worshipped, or Ram is not worshipped only in India. You travel till Cambodia, you'll realize Ram being worshipped everywhere.
No, but one second. Ram does not belong to the RSS. Ram does not belong to the Vishwa Hindu Parishad.
Can
In fact, I feel the Vishwa Hindu Parishad represents nobody, not even themselves.
Correct.
They are a bunch of people who are politically ambitious. That's what they are. Praveen Togadia is a politician. Praveen Togadia is a politician. Praveen Togadia is a politician who does not have the guts to fight an election. Praveen Togadia is a politician who does not have the guts to fight an election. He can't appropriate my religion. No, watch it. We get Sabha on the other side.
That logic doesn't hold good.
No, that your logic also, sir, doesn't hold good. If you think museums are the answer to the problems of people of this country, I disagree with you. Yes, Sabha. Yes, Sabha. Gaurav joining the debate. Yes, Sabha.
I think, Arnab, personally, I have no issue if they want to build only museums all over the country. I have no issue. I have no issue if they go and build a temple also. I have no issue with any of this. But don't make a mockery of people by building parks and museums when governments are supposed to be delivering Achhe Din, and the state government should be delivering something else. And frankly, Arnab, as someone with strong linkages to Uttar Pradesh, I am so bored and fed up. And as Yashwant said, this issue, we all know it.
Rakesh
My good friend Sudhanshu knows it. That there is no real electoral traction in it.
I think Sabha is disconnect with the changing narrative of the country. Sabha, the narrative in America has changed. You are clinging to the old narrative of India. You are clinging to pre-1990s narrative on Ram Janmabhoomi temple. It is a question of national identity. You cannot disconnect the cultural issue. It is a cultural imperative. The issue of cultural imperative, and you are calling the development without culture. What kind of development you want? India without identity. America is searching its identity, and Trump's emergence is the clear indication that United States civil society realized that the old version of secularism is of no use. It lost its relevance. And as far as Ram Janmabhoomi construction is concerned, there is no boundary between the Mandir and Museum.
I am not talking about secularism.
Glorification and renovation of Ayodhya and construction of Ram temple, both are two different things.
Are you telling me?
They are complementary to each other. They are not contradictory to each other.
That I am polling there.
Watch.
Younger than
of all the arguments, Ghanshyam Tiwari is coming in with Rakesh Sinha. Just a minute, Rakesh Sinha. What did I say?
Sabha will agree.
Rakesh Sinha, 1 second. Rakesh Sinha. Ghanshyam, a minute. So you are saying to me tonight that the Vishwa Hindu Parishad is inspired by Donald Trump, and Donald Trump represents the search for human identity.
Yes, Vishwa Hindu Parishad represents the millions of Hindus. They are doing.
No, they don't. They don't. How can you say that? On what basis? On what basis? On what basis? Rakesh Sinha.
You don't have right to abuse Vishwa Hindu Parishad leader. They are not here.
No, I'm not abusing them. I'm questioning them. I'm challenging them.
They are running the schools. They are running the colleges. They are running the constructive. They are doing the constructive program in the remote area.
How does the Vishwa Hindu Parishad represent Hindus? Please explain to me. Intellectual property है आपकी Hindu religion पर.
No, it's a question.
No, it's not a question. It's not a question. Hello.
Nobody has propriety on Hindu religion.
अच्छा, hello, Mr. Rakesh Sinha. Mr. Rakesh Sinha.
When Congress said
Mr. Rakesh Sinha.
Mr.
Sinha.
The entire nation condemned the Congress government.
Mr. Sinha. Stop waving your finger at me. Mr. Sinha, I'm asking you one question. There's a person sitting to my left. His name is Yashwant Deshmukh.
No, I'm not.
Now, if Yashwant Deshmukh tomorrow starts ब्रह्मांड हिंदू परिषद, आप विश्व हिंदू परिषद है. अगर यशवंत सिन्हा ने शुरू कर दिया ब्रह्मांड हिंदू परिषद और उन्होंने अपने आप को उसका फर्स्ट फाउंडिंग प्रेसिडेंट बना दिया, तो यशवंत देशमुख की कॉपीराइट हो जाएगी हिंदू रिलीजन पे. मजाक बना के रखा है आप लोगों ने हिंदू रिलीजन को. ये डेमोक्रेसी जो है ना, अरे भाई ऐसे एक व्यक्ति के बारे में क्या बोले, अरे भाई ऐसे एक व्यक्ति के बारे में क्या बोले, ऐसे one second. ये मेरी बात सुनिए, ऐसे एक व्यक्ति के बारे में क्या बोले. Mr. Rakesh Sinha, listen to me. No, I'm telling you this. Don't throw your ideology, your commitment, or what you believe is your reason to believe that you are a representative of Hindus. I am a Hindu and you don't represent me. I am a Hindu and the Vishwa Hindu Parishad has no right to represent me.
That you are a Hindu.
The Vishwa Hindu Parishad does not have a copyright over my religion.
And Hindus in America are
not merely calling Hindu, you have to be.
And by the way, let's go back to the subject now. Let's go back to the subject. No, Rakesh Sinha, Gaurav Bhatia is back on the debate. Gaurav, we strayed away for a while.
It is not a chewing gum.
Can I take? No, I have a problem. I have a genuine problem today.
Time the election is there.
No, I have a.
If we figure it out that this issue comes to the brink, it may suit BJP and others. I don't.
I'll tell you. I'd say this. Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav, welcome to the program. Just wait 1 minute before you come in. Gaurav, before you come in, I want to make a point. What pains me today is that the subject related to religion and a person's core beliefs is reduced to analogies like chewing gum and lollipop. ये नहीं हो सकता. आपके जो भी, मैं कह रहा हूं, राजनीतिक कंपल्शंस हो, व्हाट इज द अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड फॉर कंपल्शंस, जो भी आपके मजबूरी है, हाँ एग्जैक्टली, आपकी राजनीतिक मजबूरी हो सकती है सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, या आप मगर ये लॉलीपॉप और च्युइंगम वाली लॉलीपॉप और च्युइंगम वाले कंपैरिजन अभी नहीं कर सकते. इस पर कोई भी आपको सवाल पूछेगा. Now my question is, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी डिबेट अभी हो रहा है, गौरव भाटिया इज ऑन द अदर साइड. मैं सवाल एक पूछ रहा हूँ कि विनय कटियार says the following, and now the debate is between, it is going to start between Gaurav Bhatia and Sudhanshu Trivedi, then we'll all come in. And the 1 minute rule applies. Ghanshyam, I'll come to you as well. Vinay Katiyar says, be it through parliament, through dialogue or a court verdict, the government is to find a solution. Now, I don't know how can Katiyar put the onus on the government to find a solution when the matter is with the Supreme Court, and it is the Supreme Court that will determine who the land belongs to.
On that, please.
The government has nothing to do with it. And Vinay Katiyar doesn't know he's a member of parliament how things work. Yes, Gaurav, Sudhanshu Trivedi will respond to you after that. Sudhanshu ji after Gaurav Bhatia.
Yeah. Allow me just 2 minutes time. I need 2 minutes because I want to make quick 2-3 points. Arnab, when a matter is pending before the highest court of the country, the Honorable Supreme Court, no citizen should be speaking about it because the matter is sub judice. And this is what the Honorable Supreme Court has said. I am just reading 2 lines from a judgment delivered by 5 judges of the Supreme Court.
Okay.
It is well settled that it is inappropriate for comments to be made publicly in the media or otherwise on cases civil and criminal which are sub judice. So if this is what the Supreme Court says, and we are talking about ministers and MPs from the BJP who have sworn by the Constitution to uphold the principles enshrined in the Constitution, why are they talking about issue which is disputed?
Time up.
They should not be talking it, and they do it before the UP elections. That makes it worse. Second, the High Court judgment has been stayed by the Supreme Court. Third, the lollipop comment. Arnab, I want to emphasize on this. When the BJP, in terms of their language, gave a lollipop to Mr. Vinay Katiyar in terms of a museum, he is so pained and anguished. Imagine the people of Uttar Pradesh are saying, for 25 years you gave us the very same lollipop.
But come on, Gaurav, you are no different. You also raised the same issues before an election. Don't try to pretend. Don't try to pretend. Don't try to pretend. You are pretending. You are making up facts, Gaurav. Gaurav, listen. The fact of the matter is that all political parties will take the first chance they get and claim that Ayodhya is not a tool for political gains. But the imperative. But the imperative. No, Gaurav, listen. You'll have to. Gaurav, listen. If I'm countering
and one more
if
point,
I'm countering you, no, Gaurav, wait, Gaurav, wait, yaar. For 1 minute, I'm just countering you. Give me 30 seconds to counter you. You think I will take time to destroy your argument?
Please.
I will tear your argument to smithereens in 25 seconds, and my time starts now. Gaurav Bhatia.
Please do.
Gaurav, my time starts now. Time it. It is not the BJP that has suddenly remembered the Ram Mandir and Ayodhya ahead of the elections, but correct me if I'm wrong, Gaurav Bhatia, it was the Samajwadi Party President Mulayam Singh Yadav who, in order to look secular, what I call pseudo-secular, said, but we had to save the masjid for the unity of the country. He brought up the firing of 1992 in a public speech. And Gaurav Bhatia, what was it but not an attempt to polarize the 1992 incident just months ahead of the UP elections? Yashwant will remember this, when Mulayam Singh Yadav raked up the firing of Kar Sevaks and said, I would have been willing to kill 30 more Kar Sevaks if required. It was a clever, opportunistic, hypocritical attempt by your leader Mulayam Singh Yadav at appeasing the Muslim vote bank. At appeasing the Muslim vote bank by justifying the firing of Kar Sevaks under the garb of necessity to safeguard the unity of the country. You do Muslim appeasement. You have no right.
Now can I respond?
You do Muslim appeasement. Muslim appeasement. You have no right. You have no right tonight. Forsake your right to take a high moral ground on the subject. My time ends. You respond now. Uske baad Sudhanshu Trivedi aayenge.
30 seconds are now first.
Yeah.
You took more than 30 seconds, but you have asked me a valid question. Allow me to respond to it. Last time when I was on your debate, you said that SP is now playing soft Hindutva politics. Now you are saying we try to appease a particular community. Let me first answer your question. Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav spoke on the occasion when a book was being released on his journey of 60 years.
Rubbish, not life. Right, not and correct. Look at what he said. Look at what he said. You're wrong. Sudhanshu Trivedi. No. Prem Shukla is joining the debate as well. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Fair. I have still not responded to your question fully. And you interrupt me again and again.
Incorrect.
Allow me, please. Please. So you respond after I have answered. Why do you have to jump in like this?
We made a factual mistake. Let's continue.
I heard your question. Now listen to me, Arda, please. So Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav emphasized that it was the most painful decision that he took as the then Chief Minister. And imagine, if it was not a masjid but a temple or a gurdwara that would be brought down by a few mad Kar Sevaks, I think it is the duty of the Chief Minister or the Prime Minister to ensure that nobody breaks the law. And that is exactly what Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav did. And today, people are saying when we are having pilgrimage yatras,
it's a confused answer. Confused answer. Confused answer. Now your time is up and Sudhanshu Trivedi is responding. Let the viewers decide who's correct on this debate. Sudhanshu Trivedi is responding on that. No, you, Mulayam Singh Yadav chose the period leading up to the UP elections to express his sadness over firing of Kar Sevaks in 1992. He has cleverly adopted the politics of polarization ahead of the 2017 elections. You all do Muslim appeasement. Sudhanshu Trivedi is responding to you.
And you see certain mad Kar Sevaks
I will expect that you will allow me such patient hearing as I am allowed to you.
Tell me. I am asking.
Now can I start?
No, just wait, Sudhanshu ji. I am asking Arnab a question tonight.
Just tell me, if you were the chief minister and you see frantic mob of thousands of car sevaks rushing illegally to demolish a structure,
I will answer
what would
also
you
what
do?
Gaurav Bhatia
Would
said.
you not care about law and order?
What you are trying to say, and I will respond to it. I will respond.
No, I am asking Arnav before you come in.
Arnav, मैं एक बात कहना चाहूंगा पहले.
You should.
हाँ, मैंने समझ गया आपकी बात की. आपको बताना होता तो गोली चलवाते. वही कहना चाह रहे हैं ना. I understood. I will respond.
Turn when the matter is pending before the Supreme Court.
चलिए, मैं उस पर भी आ रहा हूं.
Do you not respect?
देखिए, हम सब ने एक लाइन सुनी है अर्णव कि सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. ये जिस अल्लामा इकबाल ने लिखी है, उन्होंने ये लिखा है कि है राम के वजूद पे हिंदुस्तान को नाश, अहले नजर समझती है इनको इमाम हिंद.
कविताओं का
अल्लामा इकबाल ने कहा इट इज गॉड ऑफ द लैंड. अरे जवाब दे रहा हूं भाई, इतनी शांति से बीच में हस्तक्षेप कर रहे हैं. दिस इज नॉट फेयर. आई विल आंसर.
गौरव भाटिया प्लीज.
मैंने पेशेंटली सुना, आप भी सुनिए. मैं कहता हूं जब अल्लामा इकबाल कहते हैं ही इज द गॉड ऑफ द लैंड, हाउ कैन इट बिकम ए हिंदू इशू? अभी थाईलैंड के किंग भूमिबल अतुल तेज का निधन हुआ. He assumed the title King Rama IX. It is a Buddhist country. The only country in which the national broadcaster has every day Ramayana. It is Indonesia, the biggest Muslim country.
Don't go
but
for
his
a
answer,
world tour.
political vision of
Answer
father of
the
the nation was
question
Ram Raj.
that he
Now on the
asked.
technical
I asked you
aspect,
question,
which
you are not
Gaurav has
replying.
asked.
You are
गौरव ने
going
कहा
on
कि इन्होंने गोली
Indonesia.
चलवाई थी मुलायम सिंह यादव ने. भाई गौरव बहुत गलत बात है ये. मैंने आपकी बात शांति से. अर्णव, make him stop. This is not fair. I kept him listening for 3 minutes and he is not allowing me for even.
गौरव भाटिया प्लीज.
This is not fair. अब मैं जवाब देता हूं. गौरव ने कहा कि अगर चीफ मिनिस्टर कोई भी होता और उस ढंग से मस्जिद के ऊपर बात आती तो गोली चलवाते. यह गलत है. कार सेवा की 30 अक्टूबर 1990, दैट वाज 30 अक्टूबर 1990. गोलियां चली है 2 नवंबर 1990.
कोई इलीगली तोड़ता तो मुख्यमंत्री का कर्तव्य है ये करने.
सेविंग मास ऑन 2 नवंबर 16 में से 14 लोग 2 नवंबर को मरे जिस दिन कोई कार सेवा नहीं थी. इट वॉज डेलिबरेटली डन टू टारगेट द कार सेवक. This is the fact which is very available and I can challenge it is legally and constitutionally.
What were the car sevaks doing in Ayodhya? Can you
the matter is
shed some
subjudice,
light on that?
nobody should say anything.
Ghanshyam Tiwari wanted to come in. Ghanshyam Tiwari, and I want to make an observation right now. No, before Ghanshyam Tiwari comes in, Sudhanshu Trivedi को मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. Sudhanshu Trivedi मेरी बात सुनिए. Sudhanshu Trivedi मेरी बात सुनिए. Sudhanshu Trivedi मेरी बात सुनिए. And I'm on the debate now. Now you need to listen to me, Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sudhanshu Trivedi, you need to listen to me for a while. Ghanshyam Tiwari, stop. And I'm responding to Sudhanshu Trivedi tonight. It's 1 minute, 35 minutes past 9. And Sudhanshu Trivedi, आपको मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी. आप मेरी बात सुनिए. आप मेरी बात सुनिए. आप मेरी बात सुनिए. Sudhanshu Trivedi, मेरी बात सुनिए.
गौरव भाटिया 5 मिनट स्पीच देकर चले गए. मुझे सेंटेंस नहीं पूरा करने देंगे. ये क्या बात होती है?
अब उस बात को मत छेड़िए. गलतियां बाबर की थी जो मत क्योंकि चले ऐसे
अगर मैटर सबजुडिस है तो पिछले 50 साल से सबजुडिस है. Then how can the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister, Mr. Mulayam Singh Narasimha Rao can say we will build Babri Masjid
and you start distributing 85 crore lollipops.
हमारे किसी पीएम ने नहीं कहा, हमारे किसी सीएम ने नहीं कहा, हमारे किसी लीडर ने नहीं कहा. We all just said we wish and you said you will build.
What have you done?
Who has flouted the court? I want an answer for the Congress and the Samajwadi
In
Party.
the past 2 years, if there is one thing that is
Mr. Ghanshyam Tiwari, जवाब दीजिए.
it is that you
जब
have
कोर्ट
lost
में मैटर
interest
सबजुडिस
in
है
your
and
own
court
issues
says
that
this
you
is
took to
disputed.
Sudhanshu Trivedi,
Still you say
Sudhanshu
Babri
Trivedi.
Masjid, and you say that you will build Babri Masjid.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, Sudhanshu Trivedi, 1 minute. Sudhanshu Trivedi, 1 minute. Ghanshyam. Can I just make a point, Sudhanshu Trivedi?
My submission last night.
No, Mr. Trivedi.
Number one,
Mr.
the
Trivedi.
filing was not done to protect the mosque. Number two, the biggest flouting of the constitution and the court order disrespect was done by SP and Congress.
Okay, can I tell you something now?
By the fact.
Can I tell you something now? मैंने आपको बोला कि मेरा गला थोड़ा खराब है, मैं इसलिए आज आप बहुत उत्तेजित हो रहे हैं, मगर मैं आप बात शांति से जवाब दे रहा हूँ.
शांत करवा दीजिए.
नहीं, मेरा काम है सवाल पूछना.
Tell me that.
अब आपको मैं 2-3 सवाल पूछूंगा, आप शांत हो जाएंगे. गौरव भाटिया, आप रुक जाइए प्लीज. हेकलिंग मत कीजिए प्रोग्राम पर.
बिल्कुल, मोस्ट वेलकम.
अभी ऐसा है, आपको चुप करने वाले 3 बात है. पर पहली बात है, आप क्यों गौरव भाटिया रनिंग कमेंट्री दे रहे हैं? रनिंग कमेंट्री मत दीजिए. तथ्यों पे डिबेट कीजिए. मैं गौरव भाटिया, आप रुक जाइए 2 मिनट और ये प्रोवोक करना बंद कीजिए. सभा आई विल कम टू यू इन अ मिनट.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट क्या लॉ नहीं है कंट्री का?
आप लोग बहुत
विनय कटियार जी और उमा भारती जी के खिलाफ कोई सख्त कदम क्यों नहीं उठाती भाजपा? अर्नब, इज दिस नॉट अ वैलिड क्वेश्चन?
How can he say when the matter is sub judice? And even
भाई
as
साहब-
per the Islamic tradition,
भाई साहब
no
इतनी
non-Muslim can build a mosque.
भाई साहब सुनिए सुधांशु
Mulayam Singh Yadav
सुधांशु
said
त्रिवेदी
he should respect
फिर
all
आप-
faiths and
Making a mockery of
religions
judiciary
because
and
the
making a mockery
BJP
of
is
religion.
only concerned
Just for the sake of
about
politics.
politicizing the name of Lord Rama.
What?
Lord Rama's name should not be politicized.
1 minute now, Gaurav Bhatia.
In the name
Gaurav
of-
Bhatia, now I don't care. One second. Now I don't care whether I lose my voice. बट आप इतनी बेरहमी से डिबेट कर रहे हैं, 5 बार बोल चुका हूं गला खराब है भाई, आप थोड़ा तो मौका दे, सवाल पूछ लूं। 5 पैनलिस्ट है, कुछ बोल रहा हूं मैं, मेरी बात सुनिए ना। Sabha, I see your hand go up. Sandeep, I see your hand go up, and I'm coming to all of you. Now my point here is this, please understand viewers, this lollipop argument that has been put by a BJP MP together with his saying that he won't be able to live in peace if the Ram temple is not built soon is ridiculous, because it is the Supreme Court that is seized of the matter. You should, आप कहने हमने नहीं बोला, मगर you will not pull up Vinay Katiyar for saying it's up to the government to look into the Ram temple issue when it was nothing apart from the Supreme Court, which in 2011 stayed the Allahabad High Court judgment that divided the land into 3 parts. It was the Supreme Court that in 2011 said the status quo should be maintained. It was the Supreme Court which said all this, and yet you have a member of parliament. Yet you have a member of parliament. Don't complete my sentences. You have a member of parliament shooting off his mouth conveniently ahead of the UP election, saying that I want to see the government build a Ram temple soon. In 2013, the Supreme Court reiterated that status quo would be maintained at the land adjacent to the disputed site. Yet you have this MP shooting off his mouth that the temple will be built soon. You will not pull him up on top of it. You have the Union Culture Minister, वो जाके वहां पे अगर कहने inspection करने आया हूं, and I want Sabha back on this. If you're saying I came to inspect the Ram Museum, then why is he making a political speech? He made a political speech today. वो इंस्पेक्शन करना है, कीजिए। वहां पे आप कार सेवकों को बिठा के डिस्प्यूटेड साइड से 3 किलोमीटर दूर बहुत लंबी चौड़ी पॉलिटिकल स्पीच दे रहे, क्यों दे रहे भाई? आप तो कहते हैं हम सिर्फ डेवलपमेंट पे चुनाव लड़ेंगे, तो फिर क्यों दे रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल स्पीच? सबा
बिल्कुल अर्नब आपका सवाल बिल्कुल जायज है अर्नब, लेकिन मेरा एक सवाल गौरव भाटिया से है। यू हैव अक्यूज्ड गौरव ऑफ पैंडरिंग टू मुस्लिम सेंटिमेंट्स। टू टेक अ मोर कंटेम्पररी इशू, गौरव, who were you trying to appease recently? I'm not getting into the events of Ayodhya. Who were you trying to appease in this communal environment which you keep talking about, which you are flagging, the growing communalization in Uttar Pradesh? Who was the Samajwadi Party government trying to appease when you created a new precedent in giving compensation to an accused in the Dadri thing after he died, unfortunately, in jail? That was a new precedent that was set in India.
Yes.
The real dangers are coming from all these cow brigades and all of this.
No, which accused
who was
died
your
in
government
Dadri?
trying to
Can you
appease?
update?
You created a new precedent.
Please update me.
Please answer
if you
me.
asked a valid question, give me the
Please
details.
tell me that. It has not
I'm
happened.
willing to answer.
Please tell me.
Yeah, please tell me.
Gaurav, Sisodia was the name of the young man. The Samajwadi Party agreed to I am talking about the events which took place on October 8th. Your government announced the compensation because a mob refused to bury his body. And this is the first time in India's history that I know of that someone who is in jail gets compensation from the state government.
Fact,
the BJP wanted it. Sangeet Som and Mr. Mahesh Sharma were involved in all of this.
Now, can
what
I
were you
respond?
guys doing?
No, in
Who
fact,
are you
can I
appeasing
respond?
all
No,
the
in
time?
fact, I
One
would
day
say.
you want to.
In fact, I would
Can I
say.
respond,
No,
Sabha?
no,
You
I
don't
think
want
it's
an
a-
answer, you don't take an answer.
No, but you are getting, no, 1 second. In fact, I'd go on to say the only people who can compete
I'm
with the
finishing my
VHP for communalizing the situation is the Samajwadi Party. In 2013, now Gaurav won't like the
allow
truth I
me
say.
to answer.
Gaurav will not like the truth I say, so he'll try to stop me, but I'll go to say it anyway.
Why?
And then
You
let's
don't
see
like
the
the
response.
inclusive
In
secularism of
2013,
Samajwadi
let
Party,
the viewers
when
of
we
Newsa know the
respect
truth,
and we
Yashwant, tonight.
include all
No,
religions.
let the people of it. You don't think that we put, you
Let me
you
respond to
must
what
never
Sabha
think.
asked.
You must never think
Let
that
me-
we don't
let
have
me
an institutional memory. You must never think that we put blindfolds on. हम अंधे नहीं हैं और बहरे नहीं हैं. हमें सब कुछ पता है। 2013 में अगस्त में,
अरे
7 months before the general election, 7 months before the general elections, was it a coincidence that Mulayam Singh Yadav invoked the Babri Masjid demolition by saying that Shankar Dayal Sharma knew about the plan to demolish the structure?
If you want to repeat your question, you will get the same answer from me.
Yeah, because you don't have an answer. Ghanshyam Tiwari was debating on the other side. Ghanshyam Tiwari and no, he doesn't want to hear. He will not hear tonight.
Okay, Gaurav,
Only one particular
I can
community.
ask you, praising your government, I can ask you a very direct
Baba, your question
I
is
mentioned it yesterday.
because
Gaurav, I mentioned it yesterday. One junior minister, Vijay Mishra, came up with a brilliant scheme of the pilgrimage at Tirth Yatra, which was good governance, which was great governance
Absolutely.
scheme. And why is the need from your
Right.
Samajwadi
So
Party
thank you,
even for a Ramlila
and that is why
Park?
I
When your
reiterated
governance schemes are working well,
our
this
policies
UP
are inclusive
public
in nature.
gave a mandate on good governance to you in 2012. If your junior ministers and
No,
your chief
what is-
minister was good enough
Express
to
is
come
not
up with a
good
good scheme
governance,
aiming
then
at Hindu
we
vote,
ensure
but by good
quality
governance,
education
which
for
was giving
everybody.
sleepless
Just
night
once
to
it
the
is not
73
good
member of
governance,
parliament
then we ensure
of the
that
BJP.
all district
Why is the need?
headquarters are
Same
connected
question to you.
with road.
Why is the
If it's
need?
not good governance,
The
then we
73
ensure that
verdict
power
was on good
generation
governance,
up to
so was
10,000
your government on good
started in
governance.
UP.
So
Is it
public
not
of
good
UP
governance?
is
Can I
giving
ask-
a verdict.
can I ask
Public
a
of UP is giving a verdict
I
on
want-
good
I want-
governance.
I want a
Why
commitment.
is the need?
No, I want a
So
commitment.
public of UP will give a verdict in 2017.
Then why?
Sitting at
What is the
Times Now
need for
studio.
Ramlila Park
Let
and
public give
everything
its
related
verdict.
to that?
Because they are insecure.
Why?
Because-
if the Samajwadi builds a theme park, then we are wrong. Are you saying that, Yashwant?
I'm asking
Is it
you.
not good that we are
I'm
inclusive?
asking you
We talk about all
if
religions.
your good governance schemes are working well, then simply focus on that. People did not vote for
We
Ramlila
are
Park from
focusing on
you.
that.
People did not vote
Mr.
for Ayodhya
Akhilesh
to
Yadav
BJP
is
as well.
focusing
The
on that.
73 out of 80 verdict
to
was
road,
not for
power
Ayodhya to
generation, health
BJP.
sector,
It was for good
education.
governance.
Okay,
It was
all right,
every
all right, all
sector
right.
Narendra Modi.
Prem Shukla, Prem
Same question is to both of you.
Prem Shukla, just one minute. I think we can end this
At
debate
least
in
we
1
talk
minute.
development. Look
Gaurav,
at BJP.
Gaurav,
They
stop.
don't even
Gaurav,
have the
stop.
courage to have a
Gaurav,
discussion
stop.
on development.
Gaurav, there are others on the debate, Gaurav. There are others on the debate. Prem Shukla, Prem Shukla, Prem
चलाना
Shukla.
जो है
No, Arnab,
वो
if you-
इनह्यूमन है और सेम टाइम पे मुलायम सिंह यादव शांति से आने वाले कारसेवकों पर गोली चलाने पर नाच करते हैं। तो आपकी पॉलिसी क्या है? हिंदुओं पर गोली चलाना आपके हिसाब से जायज है और आतंकवादियों को समर्थन करने वालों पर गोली चलाना नाजायज है। जरा समाजवादी पार्टी का
बोलेंगे आप
पॉलिसी क्या है?
और दूसरी बात,
Humanity के बारे में
आज
उनकी क्या
ऐसा
policy
क्यों
है?
है
आप
कि
स्पष्ट
टाइम्स नाउ
करेंगे?
पे दो प्रवक्ता है भाजपा के? Arnab, I ask this question to you. Why two spokesperson from the
अरे मैं
BJP
senior
tonight?
journalist हूँ
और
यार,
you are-
आपको जो है मेरे
How many
पत्रकारिता
times
पर
do
भी
you have
शक हो
two
रहा है क्या?
spokesperson from the Samajwadi Party?
मेरे पत्र अपने सवाल
आप
जरा इस सवाल का जवाब तो दीजिए ना।
शिवसेना
एक नागरिक के तौर पर ही दे दीजिए।
अपना वादा तोड़ा है, झूठ
राम
बोला है।
गोपाल यादव इन
आप किसकी
पार्लियामेंट
भाषा बोलेंगे आज?
से that और
अरे आप
should
पहले
not
भाजपा के
Okay,
प्रवक्ता
okay,
हैं,
I'll
पहले
stop
क्या
this.
सवाल नहीं
I'd like to get, I'd like to get Danish Ali on the other side. 1 second. Gaurav, you know what? If you stop, Gaurav, if you stop, I'll be most grateful, Gaurav. Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav, listen. Gaurav, you think, Gaurav, there are 7 people on the program. No, you stop. No, 1 second.
आपके कुछ कह देने से मेरी पत्रकारिता धुल नहीं जाएगी ना।
आप रुक जाइए प्रेम शुक्ला।
दोस्त जरा शांति
प्रेम
और
शुक्ला
संयम
रुकिए,
रखें।
प्रेम शुक्ला रुकिए, क्योंकि एक नॉन स्टॉप ना बिना पूछे मैं इधर बोल रहा हूं 5 बार 10 बार मैं दरखास्त कर रहा हूं गौरव भाटिया को कि आप कृपया दूसरों को भी सुनिए और बोलने
आपने
दीजिए।
2 प्रवक्ता भाजपा के क्यों रखे? मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ।
कौन है भाई 2? आपको
आप
क्या,
बताइए।
आपको आप मान भाई कौन है 2?
सुधांशु जी और प्रेम शुक्ला जी।
प्रेम शुक्ला भारतीय जनता पार्टी के ना मेंबर है ना स्पोक्स पर्सन है।
गौरव जी,
आप जरा अपने
वो प्रवक्ता आप पूछ लीजिए। ऑफिशियली
नहीं है,
वो मीडिया पैनल
नहीं है,
भाजपा के, मैं आपको जानकारी
नहीं है।
दे रहा हूं।
और दूसरी बात
चर्चा में
और दूसरी बात गौरव भाटिया, आपको 1 second प्लीज, आई से दिस, आई एम नॉट, इट्स नॉट बॉदरिंग मी, यू नो, इफ आई आस्क 10 क्वेश्चंस टू यू गौरव, you don't reply to one and then you start making all these kind of points, then you are going away from the
I will
subject.
reply to all 10.
Gaurav, you will stop now. Gaurav, I'm telling you
I
this.
don't run away
Gaurav,
from
there
the
are
question.
other people on the program and I want
But
you
I am
to...
not afraid of asking tough questions from you also.
Mr.
You
Gaurav,
are also equally accountable to all
Mr.
the viewers.
Gaurav Bhatia, you don't have the decency to respond to one question. I will ask you three now. Let it be between you and me, 1 minute between you and me. Can I have this gentleman on the screen, please?
Yes.
3 questions will be asked. And if you try to dodge even one of them today, if you want to dodge even one of them today, you will. No, 1 second. One second. You will now respond to my questions. Okay?
Yes.
Question in 30 seconds. No drama. Answer in 30 seconds. And don't interrupt me. In 30 seconds each.
And you will also not interrupt me. Don't interrupt me also.
Question number 1. My information is that in January 2014, 3 months before the general elections, Mulayam Singh Yadav invoked the Ram Temple issue very aggressively and made an all-out attempt at picking up the issue. And he said that I had offered 17 acres of land for the Ram Temple and the BJP did not accept it. In fact, the exact date is January 24th, 2014. Did he or did he not rake up the Ram Temple issue for a party that complains that others rake up the Ram Temple issue? This is a classic example of Mulayam Singh Yadav himself becoming the loudest spokesperson for the Ram Temple issue. Now, did Mulayam Singh Yadav make a statement like that or not? Answer the specific question. Specific question.
Yeah, very specific answer to you, Ardab. You had not shared this date and statement with me, but I will tell you the consistent stand of our national president, Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav. He has said, I am not done. Why are you smirking? Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav has always said that he will abide by what the Honorable Supreme Court verdict is, and also that through consultation, if two communities can come to a solution, then that would be a better
that's
solution.
A 1 minute answer. Anyway, second question now.
I think
second
I
question.
answered.
Second question.
And to discuss
second
is
question.
nothing wrong. But,
second
but
question. Good. You know, when you are on a one-on-one situation,
we will build.
Your response
is not right.
The
language that the BJP
second
uses,
question.
We will build.
Yashwant,
no
should
matter
ask
what.
Yashwant, should I ask a second question?
Absolutely. I mean, you should go ahead.
Has he broken the 30-second rule?
Yes, I'm keeping a tag.
now the second question. Second question. Is it true that on 23rd March 2015, and I hope at least this date you will remember, that Mulayam Singh Yadav again, with unfailing determination, enthusiasm, dobara, he again picked up the Ram Temple issue, and this was just in the run-up to the Bihar election. Again, for a person who says that I don't want to talk about the Ram Temple issue, these are bad things, then why did he, on the 104th birth anniversary of Ram Manohar Lohia, on the 23rd of March 2015, raise this issue?
Yeah, can I answer? I would only say every time that Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav talks about Babri Masjid and Ram Temple, he never says that we will build no matter what. The language that the BJP uses. BJP says that no matter what happens, a Ram Temple will come there, a magnificent and big Ram Temple.
I don't think I need to ask a third question.
For the Constitution.
Matter is settled. No, matter is settled. Yashwant, there's a comment. I don't have a third question. I don't have a third question.
I have one single question. What is the need, Gaurav? What is the need? You build it, you don't build it. What is the need to you, to the BJP, to anyone? When the public of Uttar Pradesh is voting only and only for development and governance agenda, what is the need? People are not asking
all right. Sudhanshu Trivedi is responding to that. Sudhanshu and Sabha, 1 second. Sudhanshu and Sabha, the point is clear. The point is absolutely clear. All these political parties like the SP which say we don't want to do Mandir politics, only do Mandir politics. Sudhanshu Trivedi is responding, and then we'll get everyone else in. Sudhanshu Trivedi, you saw the answers there. Gaurav Bhatia is on the debate. Sudhanshu Trivedi, please. In your point of view, are you all contributing to each other? आपने क्या कोई strategy की है? एक दूसरे से ऐसे respond क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why do you say one thing and then the Samajwadi Party responds? इसमें calibration है या किसी तरह की राजनीतिक relay race चल रही है? Is this a political relay race? Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Those who are accusing, I would just like to put one fact in this context. That Samajwadi Party was a partner of UPA for the whole tenure of UPA. You are asking just the speculations. I am putting the hard facts. And the recently concluded Rajya Sabha election in Uttar Pradesh, Samajwadi Party and Congress put up a joint candidate. That's how Kapil Sibal entered into Rajya Sabha. And not only in Uttar Pradesh, they were supported Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand also. So whosoever is saying this, there is already proper connivance between Congress and Samajwadi Party. Even I would like to remember one more fact, then the dastardly riots of Muzaffarnagar, the Congress was at center. Forget about scolding, forget about giving advisory, forget about anything. They have not even asked a report from Uttar Pradesh government.
What is clear in this debate?
This shows
what is clear in this debate was the position I started with. When it comes to development, when it comes to belief on people of UP about development, what BJP and political parties are saying is Ram Naam Satya Hai. There was a position at some point that BJP had that Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, and they wanted to appeal to youth about employment, employability, skill development. All that is gone on the floor now. It goes back to the same position that BJP had since 1992 कि कसम राम की खाते हैं, मंदिर वही बनाएंगे, तारीख नहीं बताएंगे.
As far as development is concerned, I would just like to put facts if somebody is not able to understand. At the time, the growth rate is higher than the inflation rate. It is almost double. In the recently concluded BRICS summit, we are the highest growing economy in the BRICS. We are the fastest growing economy in the world.
And you are distributing 85 crore worth of lollipops
the issue of the Ram Temple.
To a museum.
This is very clear.
Are you going to put all these children who are malnutrition in that museum?
This is the issue of our national identity. Yes, of course.
And those children who suffer for malnutrition, it's shameless that we are on 97 in Global Hunger Index when our top leadership, thought leaders in this country are saying that we can beat hunger. You talk about national consciousness.
There is a discussion between Babar and Ram.
85 crore lollipop and you stand here to defend that.
शासन किया और बाबर वो था जिसके कि भाइयों ने उसके बाप को मारा और फरगना से भगा दिया।
कमिटमेंट टुडे कमिटमेंट दे
जो
कमिटमेंट दे 1 मिनट कमिटमेंट दे आज कमिटमेंट दे मुझे कौन सी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आखिरी सवाल सुधांशु त्रिवेदी आखिरी सवाल मेरे सवाल को सुनिए सुधांशु त्रिवेदी मेरे सवाल को सुनिए सुधांशु त्रिवेदी एक सवाल है भाई इतना नहीं सुधांशु त्रिवेदी आई वांट अ कमिटमेंट आप बस हाथ उठा के कमिटमेंट दे दे मुझे आप हाथ उठा के कमिटमेंट दे मुझे आप कमिटमेंट दे दूसरों की बात छोड़िए अपने घर से आप शुरू कीजिए कमिटमेंट दीजिए गौरव भाटिया सुधांशु त्रिवेदी आप आज कमिटमेंट दीजिए दानिश अली जी आप तीनों कमिटमेंट दीजिए क्योंकि यू रिप्रेजेंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आप कमिटमेंट दीजिए आप में से कौन कमिटमेंट देंगे कि मैं राम मंदिर और बाबरी मस्जिद के इशू को इस चुनाव में हम नहीं उठाएंगे आप कमिटमेंट दीजिए कि हमारे कोई नेता नन ऑफ आवर लीडर्स विल डू पॉलिटिक्स और इवन रेफर टू द राम मंदिर एंड अयोध्या इशू कैन यू मेक अ कमिटमेंट or a promise that not one of your leaders will raise any issue related to Babri Masjid and Ram Mandir, not even as a response to somebody else. You can, otherwise it's a ridiculous game. Oh, you started it. आप commitment दे दीजिए. कौन commitment दे रहे हैं?
Arnav,
आप commitment नहीं.
I am saying that BJP never made it and will never make it a electoral issue.
That's not my question. But that is not my question.
There was only one
but that is not my question. But वो मेरा सवाल है. But that's not my question. That's not my question. That's not my question.
With the slogan of
not my again dodging it. गौरव भाटिया आप कमिटमेंट देंगे? गौरव भाटिया आप कमिटमेंट देंगे? एक बार भी गौरव भाटिया कमिटमेंट देंगे नहीं देंगे
लोक पर लोक यही मोक्ष धाम है ये
नहीं देंगे कमिटमेंट देखिए
राजनीति की बात
देंगे कमिटमेंट
को
अर्नब कैन आई कम इन
नहीं कमिटमेंट देंगे यशवंत
ये कमिटमेंट इसी बात का देंगे कि हम ये कमिटमेंट नहीं देंगे
हाँ बस ये कमिटमेंट देंगे नहीं
ये अर्नब कैन आई कम इन प्लीज
नहीं आप कमिटमेंट दे रहे हैं कि नहीं कि राम मंदिर और अयोध्या इशू बाबरी मस्जिद को हम कोई भी इलेक्शन रैली में स्पीच में यूज नहीं करेंगे सिंपल गिव मी यस और नो रिप्लाई
नहीं yes, Arnab. At least the Samajwadi Party would not communalize this.
No, communalize की बात. You will not use or refer to this issue.
We
Again,
will wait for the Supreme Court verdict. Hear me first.
That's all big talk. It's all big talk.
Hear me
Nobody's
first.
making any commitments quite clearly.
What big talk? I'm saying
This
we
is
will
an
wait
issue
for
to be
the
milked
Supreme Court verdict.
for them politically.
I want that as a Hindu. I want to commit that. Please don't make it a lollipop and chewing gum thing.
Okay, there is no commitment coming my way. The people would have wanted a commitment that 25 years after the Babri Masjid demolition, this group of politicians would have been different, but they are not. I thank you all for joining me. I did not get a commitment, but I thank you all for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour Tonight. Debate number 2 in a few minutes, ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes.